Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming consent and putting on a mask and goggles, safety first. Next, reduce extension length with a nail clipper, then switch to the drill at 10, 0, 0, 0, 15, 0, 0, 0 RPM using a 180-240 grit barrel bit. Work the free edge first to expose layers, applying light pressure and keeping the bit parallel to the nail. You want to remove the top shiny layer quickly. This speeds solvent action later while avoiding heat buildup. If you feel warmth, pause and fan the nail. Once done with the top coat, change to a coarser 100-180 grit bit to remove most gel bulk. Make short 2 to 3 second passes and rest between strokes. You need to feather toward the cuticle and sidewalls, keeping the bit at a low angle so you never gouge the natural nail. Make visual checks with bright light and wipe with alcohol frequently to see progress. If you reach a thin, semi-translucent layer, stop drilling and prepare for gentle chemical softening. You finish by applying acetone on a cotton pad, wrapping the nail in foil, and waiting 10 to 15 minutes so residue softens. Then, you unwrap, use a gentle pusher and a 180 grit to remove the softened gel. Work slowly and check every few strokes. Once clear, buff lightly and apply cuticle oil. Troubleshooting. If you see heat, severe lifting, or pain, stop immediately. Hydrate the nail, reduce drill speed, or switch to manual filing, and consult the client before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.